So create a new composition 1280 by 720 with 10 seconds of time. Then drag and drop this image into the same. So the height it is having little more extra, but no need. So whatever I can see up to here, I want to create a water movement. Okay Ajay,
సార్
ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఇమేజ్లో ఇప్పుడు నాకు వాటర్ మూమెంట్ యాడ్ అవ్వాలి. సో హౌ టు క్రియేట్ వాటర్ మూమెంట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇమేజ్. క్రియేట్ లేయర్, న్యూ, solid layer, control Y. So go with the same black color, click on OK. So on this noise and add fractal noise. So then at the soft linear, add blocking, add block. So then go to transform, remove the uniform scale. So basically if you see, the waves are having more length and height is very less, right? So increase the contrast value little bit and set the scale height 3 value. Or add 4 value, then increase the width scale 150 something. See this? Okay na? So lines are matching, right? Waves. Clear Ajay?
ఎస్ సార్
Now for this, just hide the visibility. It should work up to only water level. So select the black solid layer and up to water level. Place the mask. So image is there at the down also, that's why I'm placing up to here. So at this position, just match with the rocks. So say this. So now it is created and it is matching to the water level. Now into this we have to animate evaluation. Set key at the starting, go to end position, just rotate, add more value. See this now? Is the shapes are changing or not? Shapes change అవుతున్నాయి కదా?
ఎస్ సార్
So it is reading first of all. Now it will play smoothly. Say this. And if it should get a little more speed, stop the play button and place the slider at 10 seconds and add more value. So it increases the speed. So press U by selecting the black solid. So here you can see evolution was animated from start to end position for 10 seconds. Now see, this is the banquet, means river banquet. So it will hit the water here and it will flow towards right side. So you should go to add offset turbulence, set key at 10 seconds position, X value, add towards right side. See this now. Clear, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So now this movement should affect on the water image. So here select the main image, go to effects and presets. So here I have to place displacement map, drag and drop on the effects palette for the purpose of sunrise image. Okay. So in the displacement map now, we have to show the displacement map layer should be black solid. Means with the help of black solid, it should create a disturbance, noisiness in the image. Clear?
Yes, sir.
After showing black solid layer, the black solid, it is not having anything. It is just having black color. The fractal noise, it is working from effects palette. So black solid layer, it is selected into this option in the displacement map layer position, and it should not work from the source. It should work from the effects and mask. It should work from effects and mask. So select effects and mask, because effects and mask displacement map should calculate the black solid layer effects. Okay, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
బ్లాక్ సాలిడ్ లేయర్ మీద ఉన్న ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఫ్రాక్టల్ నాయిస్ అండ్ మాస్క్, వీటిని డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ మ్యాప్లో ఉన్న డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ మ్యాప్ లేయర్ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ బ్లాక్ సాలిడ్, it should work with the effects and mask, not with the source. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here you have to select effects and mask option, and now see this. Is it getting the movement of water or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here you can add a horizontal or a vertical displacement map little bit. So add the horizontal value 20. And whenever we added the horizontal more value, see the sides I am getting more transparency at the sides. So
Yes, sir.
that value we should bring to normal. So add a wrap pixels around. So this position it fills automatically. And another thing is what? It won't give us the transparency at this location now. Okay. And another thing is what? Sometimes on some images, this wrap option it works only at the center, not up to the entire water level. So you have to select this stretch map to fit the entire image. Stretch map to fit the entire
Enter.
image up to the water level. Now see this one. Is water is moving or not?
Yes, sir.
So once it reads the entire RAM preview, then it creates a more floating movement in a proper manner. See that? Clear na, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So have you understood how to create a water movement?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept of fractal noise. You have to hide the black solid layer. No need to display this. So you can hide this visibility. Now we have to prepare the sky at this location. But the background sky and the down reflection it is having the same. So if you are trying to remove this, then automatically it will also affect and it removes the down position. To create a proper alpha kind of channel, duplicate first this, control D. On this no need of displacement map. This is only for the sky purpose. This one convert to black and white first. Right?
Sir.
Increase the maximum red and green values and yellow values. So this entire down area I need to convert. So after adding black and white, go to effects again, color correction, use brightness and contrast, add somewhat darken shade. So up to here it is okay for the purpose of mountains and tree location. Now this image, this area completely, I want to create black. So use the paintbrush here. After selecting paintbrush, go to paint option, select black color, double click on it. So it comes to, if you click on the image, automatically it will open into layer palette. So now at this complete location, hold the control and you can increase the brush size, and the brush you can choose hard brush maximum, and this entire area you can fill with black. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now at the up position it should be white. So select soft brush here, choose the soft brush, paint at this location. Just decrease the brush size here to select maximum white location with the small brush size without affecting up to mountains and even tree locations. So once it is done, come to the composition area and you can add a brightness and contrast on the top of it. See this now? You can also increase the brightness little more and contrast also. Clear now? See? Perfectly I got the white area here, black area here, right?
Yes, sir.
After completion of the paint I moved to up brightness and contrast next, so that this is affecting on the paint also in the composition editor. Now this sunrise black and white image should support to my down image to remove the sky here. ఇది మనం ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాము అంటే దీంట్లో white area it should give us the transparency, black area it should support to keep the water and trees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So go to the track mat at this location. See, it is having what? Only white and black, not the alpha channel. It is not having any alpha channel. Overall full of white undante. So by using this RGB color black and white with the help of Luma inverted mat. Luma mat ante em chestadi white sky దగ్గర it is going to keep the sky and down it is going to hide the ground, but I want to keep the ground and I want to create my own sky in After Effects. Clear, Ajay?
Yes, sir.
So you should select Luma inverted matte. See this now,
Yes, sir.
and this black solid is going to affect at this location with this image displacement map. See, so water and trees up to mountain you can see. Now we need to prepare sky again. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
So to prepare sky, create a new layer, solid, so on this solid layer go to effects. In the effects search, gradient ramp, apply gradient ramp. So the background actual image is having yellow and orange shades in sky, so same I want here. So the up position should be orange shade, down position more dark and orange. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want white and blue shade, that also you can create. So now on the same, after gradient, add again fractal noise. You can directly type in search option effects preset, drag and drop this. So here to create clouds, we have to use here terrain option. Terrains gives us more white area and less black area. Now it should be reverse. With the help of spline, first of all, to create a soft clouds, then add the invert. So the invert, when we add, clouds will shift to black to white, white to black. Now transform scale value, increase the size. So adjust the position to show something like a violet cloud here at the center, and reflection of the mountain also it is there, so no problem. So now it should add with the back side black solid. On the top of it we are added already gradient ramp. So gradient ramp తో ఇది blend అవ్వాలి. So use screen mode. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So use the screen or add mode. Add mode బాలేదు. Go with screen mode only. So you can set the cloud shapes by adjusting brightness and contrast values. And you can also adjust complexity little bit to get the border somewhat noise areas. Now this cloud should also get movement. It should change the shape of the clouds. So add evaluation set key at the starting, 10th second, add the rotation, means movement. See now, shapes are slowly changing. So you can also create here perspective offset in the same options, means the nearby clouds will be bigger, far means down position will be little smaller, like that. And if you don't want to get this much of speed, you can reduce the rotation in the evaluation. So otherwise it looks like more movement, like time lapse. See, now it is having very less movement. So you can move the clouds now from back to front. Okay, towards front they have to travel. So go to offset turbulence, set key, come to 10th second, add y axis towards up. See this. Are they moving or not?
Yes, sir.
So once it is done, just place this layer at the down of this entire video. See now. So what is also moving, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to change the sky color little bit into little more orange shade. So select the eyedropper and pick the color from here. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
So this orange shade also, to match the colors exactly from the footage. So I selected water reflection color of the sky and I placed it at this location. And basically what Ajay, clouds are looking like little bit smoke manner.
Yes, sir.
They are going directly towards up, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to change the perspective angle of sky. So select the black solid, add a corner pin, add corner pin into effects palette. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After adding corner pin, place these 2 points at the water middle of the position, and these 2 points should at the place of out of this screen. Okay na? Clear?
Yes,
See now how the sky is coming now. Can you see that?
yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది ఇది? క్లౌడ్స్ లాగే వస్తున్నాయి కదా?
Yes, sir.
From out of the or behind the mountains to front. They are moving like real clouds. They are traveling towards long distance, near, closer. Okay. So this is the way we can create fractal noise. We can apply and we can create as a water and also the sky location as clouds. Okay na?
Yes, sir.